Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Yo, what's up, Jamaica? It's your street reporter, Echo, straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest, breathing news right now. Listen up. JPS license drama. So the government a chat said them now renew the JPS license under the same old terms. JPS said them vex about it. Them a call it serious concern because them have to plan them future. People long time a ball about highlight bill and poor service. If government serious for bring competition and cheaper current, that sound good, but no make it end up like the same old story where nothing change. The financial investigations division I warn people. Them see a $96 million scam with point of sale machines, and them a beg people stop make themselves mule for criminal. Me street man them money hard, me know, but no make nobody draw you in a them scamming thing for couple quick dollar when them catch you. Are you a go face the court, not the big man where you run it? MP Warmington and him outburst. MP Warmington did drop some brawling bad word on the platform. Now him apologise, PM Holness a beg the whole JLP team for keep the standards high. Echo no they have to take side, but truth be told, leaders fi lead with the respect we don't have. Enough cussing and disrespect out the street already. The nurses and midwives sick out, enough midwife and nurse still a sick out. The ministry a try shuffle resources, so hospital service no mash up. You see it, health care of the people, them backbone. The workers need to get them pay and respect, but people can't suffer. Same way, this need to fix, quick time. A Jamaican woman tomorrow dead in Bronx stab up. Left 2 pickney behind when out in state care. Me heart go out to the family. This show say whether yard or abroad, we have to protect we women and them pickney. Caribbean tourism, big plan. Government say them a plan the first tourism. Innovation township a Rosal plus the Caribbean Starless hotel fi go. Tourism bring work, that true, but Echo beg you know. No make this just benefit big investors. Make sure the small man, vendor, the taxi driver get piece of the pie. Stabbing in Mountain View. One woman 55 get charged after fatal stabbing over weekend. In Kingston, too much violence, whether young or old. People quick for draw a knife. Me wish we could have reasoned more. Fight less. These are the days happens. Me no pick side. Me just show no both angle. Because they call voice for the people. Like, share, subscribe. This is Echo News Jamaica, where the street talk mixed with real talk. I'll see you next time. CM vibes, CM fire, always neutral.
But you know Jamaica. Yeah. Echo News Jamaica. Tune in, tune in, log in, every day we there. Jamaica link the glue from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. Echo News Jamaica, we run the media. Tune in, log in, every day we there. Jamaica link the glue from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. Echo News Jamaica, we run the media. Go from London, New York, straight back a yard. The diaspora massive, we vice large. Big news, big vibe, big sound system. Every day you feel stay locked.